Hello everyone, GM here. I hope you are all well and happy. Love and blessings to you all. A few of you have been asking what is necessary in order to start training as a mystic, what is necessary to begin training for self-mastery, and all of these kind of things. As many of you know, we do practices such as, for myself, in one of the mystical monasteries I was living in Tibet, for 1 year I wore a blindfold, never to be taken off 24/7, not even when you go to bed at night, you leave the blindfold on for 1 year. What does this do for you? It forces your inner sight to expand. It forces your inner sight to try and take over the function that these eyes took over. There are many other things, many other senses that start to wake up inside you when you do this particular exercise. Parts of the brain opened up that normally won't open up in someone who spends their entire life being able to see correctly. And it is these new areas of the brain that open up that we begin to explore the mysteries and the mysterious things of our lives and our minds. Things that we couldn't get to or explore without these doors opening. Another exercise I did for another year is we put beeswax in our ears and we go deaf for an entire year. That teaches you very quickly to lip read. It teaches you to be more aware of body language. It teaches you to be more aware of facial expressions, and you start to be able to read and pick up on people's feelings and thoughts and that kind of thing. One of the other things that we would do would be to spend yet another year not speaking. And of course, this does the same thing. It opens up parts of the mind that previously weren't opened, but it also teaches you how to communicate with people more purely, without the ambiguity of words. Words have different definitions for every head that it goes into. When you're speaking sign language, when you have to speak and communicate with someone without using words, the ambiguity loses itself. The communication is more pure. But I digress. This isn't the reason why I'm talking to you now. The reason I'm talking to you now is to give you a little taste of what it is like. And here is the challenge. Try not to speak for 1 week to anyone, not to your family, not to your greengrocer, not to your delicatessen person, to nobody. You do not speak, okay? Try and do that. See how hard that is. You can use post-notes, sticky notes, post-its. You can use a little blackboard and draw on that if you like to talk to the person behind the cash register or wherever it is you are. You can do all of that. But for 1 week, 7 days, don't let a single word pass your lips. And if you do, start again. That'll give you an idea of what it really means to start practicing and training and mastering the self. If you can't do something as simple as not speak for 1 week, what hope do you have to meditate on manifesting grandioso things? Bye-bye.